Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about the human factor consideration in machine learning-based personalized offer assignment. There are 5 parts we are going to cover here. The first part will introduce the context of the project. Then we have task analysis and user experience design. Last, we'll provide the privacy and ethics considerations for this project. The project is about personalization. It is a well-recognized approach to keep customers engaged with the retailer and boost financial metrics such as revenue and margin. Retailers have different ways to deliver marketing offer to individual consumers, such as email, app, and coupons. The personalized offer assignment user is the retailer at different scales. And we are trying to assign the proper marketing offers to consumers so that the target audience get personal experience. Machine learning can help the retailer to understand the consumer shopping habits, hence become a solid tool to solve the puzzle. Personalized offer can boost the relationship and loyalty between consumer and retailers. It makes the promotion much more cost-effective to drive the financial outcome. The owner of the retailer will benefit from the personalization initiative, which enhances the stickiness of the consumers. In the current state, most of the retailers still use the mass offer, which doesn't actually have personalization. And some retailers are using rule-based offer assignment, which is relatively static. So personalized offer will have a good user case to actually get a more intimate relationship with the retailer. The next is the task analysis. We will actually have a workflow as actually detailed following. First, we'll do some customer segmentation, such as the life stage, for example, the singles and the couples, young couples versus the retired people. And it should be refreshed every 13 weeks to make it current. And also, from all the data source, we are doing feature sourcing and selection, so such as the holidays, weather, and promotion competitor informations. We'll actually figure out the target variable to be the offer response rate at different granular levels. And we will also have somehow more personalized offer compared with just the segment level, because people potentially will actually get a little bit annoyed when it is not relevant to them at a higher level. We'll compose an offer combination so that it is attractive and also drive the financial results. We will do the optimization or simulation to achieve the financial metrics within the budget. And we will do a monthly offer assignment to make sure like the offer is refreshed, at least on a monthly cadence. So for example, there could be like substitute product offer, complementary offer, and new product offers. The combination offers will need to address special business needs. And we will also provide transparency for the offer assignment logic. So we will actually use example to illustrate so that both the users and potentially when we communicate with the end user, the consumer who get the offer, it will be clearer for them to understand. From the task analysis, we can understand we need to track the test and control group to measure the ROI for investment. And we will adjust and iterate based on the performance of those group comparisons. We need to decompose the effect from features on different offers to help refine the feature selections. We'll try to optimize the marketing budget usage using simulation and optimization. We need to design the workflow so that operation team are exposed to limited parameters and align on the good enough criteria. We need to educate business and operation team the parameter implication and how it will be reflected in the measurement outcome. The operation team will have to work with multiple teams to do post-campaign summary to adjust the model configurations when they see something's happening. For the user experience design, we will have the following considerations. First is, at the beginning, we'll have the user inputs, such as the past marketing team experience to help configure the parameters. We will collect opinion from the experts in the organization on the possible driving features on the customer response. We will collect and investigate the past promotion and response facts so that we can determine the good quality offer and avoid those repetitive bad offers. We will provide transparency on the model so that the user can have a better understanding when they see certain things happening. We'll share the model probability distribution of specific offer for each segment. We'll share the driving feature in the model to deduce the probability. We'll share the measurement results compared with prediction regularly so that we can understand the status versus the original benchmark. We will also communicating the uncertainties with the user, and we will first emphasize the distribution could change over time due to the concept drift or customer behavior change. We'll provide context that the psychology of offer fatigue so that offer will be diversified over time. We'll also align the concept of trial and error approach to business team so that we can continually evaluate the solution impact from the improvement point of view. And for the privacy considerations, we will try to actually address the concerns and actually apply the most strict law. So, for example, we are going to, based on understanding of the culture, figure out the culture taboo so that the user experience will not irritate consumers. We need to explicitly opt in to use customer profile informations. We'll avoid any analysis using the personal identifier code to locate consumers without consent. And for the law part, I would say we will try to actually abide the most strict laws such as the GDPR in Europe so that the approach can be adapted across the globe. For the ethics considerations, we would say we can anticipate there's some kind of bias, but we will try our best to actually prevent that from happening. We may encounter some sorts of source-data bias such as gender and race. I will try to address that from the beginning before the model started. We should not put sensitive information such as gender and race in the feature selections. The business operation team need to verify if the model has systematic bias from the dataset collected. And we will always avoid put a customer group in the control group without which will never get promotions. For the other considerations, such as fairness, accountability, and transparency, we will design a solid verification on perceived fairness. And we will also identify business owners and make sure owner has a method to override offer using the default ones. This will help the accountability within the business part. And we will provide feature importance and help interpret the model with non-technical language. This will explain the cases which is different from the original expectation and actually make sure the client understand us when certain things being escalated. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye.